Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a custom header in Google Forms. If you're still using those default purple headers, whether you're making a school quiz, a wedding reservations, or a professional survey, the header is the first thing that people see. And a custom banner like this makes your forms look legit, increases responses rates, and also lets your brand shine. And in here, I'm going to show you the way to add a custom header to your forms. So first, you can just go to Canva. Here, I'm going to use Canva, and after that, you can add a custom size design. So for the weight, you can go with thousands and 600, and also the height 400. As you guys can see, there will be also the options to Google Forms header. This is a default size. You can just click on create a new design. And after that, you can create the Google Forms header from scratch. You can add your own font, add your brand logo, and add your brand color if needed. Or you can also just choose one from the Canva templates. Let's say this one. Okay, I'm going to use this one. And here, I'm going to change the tags English class course evaluation. Okay. Now you can just adjust the size, for example. Okay, I'm going to go with this. Can change with your own names. And after that, you can click on share, download. Here I'm going to just download it as JPG to make the size smaller. Click on download, and you can just go back to your forms. Okay, the form is not downloaded yet. Let's just wait for the header to successfully download it. Okay, so once you do that, now you can here just click on the settings. Click on this customize themes at the top, and here the header, you can just delete the existing one first. Click on choose image, and then you can click on upload, browse, and choose the file that just downloaded from Canva. Hit on open. Click on done, and that's it. So now your forms will have a new header. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.